Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking Black Friday post for your social media in Canva. Creating a Black Friday post in Canva is really easy. Within a few minutes, you can click and customize a template, and your post will be ready. If you don't have any design experience, you don't have to worry. Canva allows you to customize and modify ready-made templates, so you can simply customize one and have your post ready. First, create your account in Canva and go to the search bar and search for a Black Friday Instagram post. For now, we will be creating a post for Instagram. These are the available templates suggested by Canva. Go to the CL to explore all the available options. You can see that everything from minimalist to professional-looking templates is available. You can simply modify one and make it your own post. Some are paid, while others are free. Maybe this one is free and looks good. Just explore the options and choose whichever template you like and customize that template. Click on the option, and now you can see that I have full access to the design and can customize everything as I want. I'll just undo that. This is the undo process. Now, starting with the text, just click on the text. If you want to add text like this, you can add it, or remove text. For more text customization features, there is an option for changing the font. This option is for resizing, changing the color, making the text bold, italic, underlined, strike-through, or uppercase and lowercase. These are the basic features available for text customization. You can try them out. You will understand how these features work. Now, to change the background color, you can simply click on the background. Here is the option for changing the background color like this. You can simply change the background color. Now, to replace or change an image in the template with your own, go to Upload and upload the images from your computer that you want to use instead of the template images. For now, I'll choose random images from Pinterest, like these. I'll just select one from here. I'll just copy and paste it here. Then, like this, I'll just select more images of the glass to add them here. I'll just copy and paste them here. So I have 3 images copied from Pinterest. Now I'll replace these images with my uploaded images. You just need to drag and drop to replace the template images with your own. In the same way, just drag and drop, and then drag and drop it this way. Now you can see how easy it is to replace the template images with your own. If you want to position it like this, you can simply adjust it. And yeah, in the same way, you can customize these templates by adding your own details, information, contact details, logo, branding colors, and anything else you need. Once you have finished customizing, rename your file first. Then go to Share, Download, and download it in PNG or any other available format. Simply download it, and your Black Friday post is ready to upload on social media. Thank you for watching.